Hey guys, this is a very long overdue video, but I'm going to be doing an overview on my entire house's fire alarm, access control, and security system. This is a Wheelock RSSWP outside the garage that goes off for any alarm. The shed system, which is a video for another day, we have a Wheelock MIZ on the outside. That's all I'm going to show. Starting off here at the back garage door, we're going to go ahead and open it. As soon as we walk in, Radionics D1212G fire alarm annunciator and a 1255 security keypad for the garage. We have a D461 pull station, as usual, and a Wheelock AS, and there's the access controller. This is the main control panel, the Radionics D9412G. This panel handles burglary, access control, and fire alarm. It can have up to 240 addressable points and up to around the same amount of addressable relays. This panel can also handle 8 access controlled doors. Now, if we have a smoke detector up there for the panel and 2 system sensor 5601P rate of rise and fixed heat detectors for the garage. Hallway in the house where we have a Wheelock AS again, and a system sensor 2151 smoke detector. In another room, we have a system sensor i3 smoke detector. We're now in my room with a Bosch D720 keypad for my room's area, a Bosch Blue Line motion, and for fire alarm, we have a system sensor 2151 smoke detector. Along with that, we also have a Wheelock AS in here. Over at the furnace room, if we open the door, we have a system sensor D4120 duct smoke detector. This shuts down the furnace, and a system sensor 5604P fixed heat detector 194. And I think that's it. We have a little module cabinet here that has 2 octo poppets and then 2 smoke detector cards. You can see screws on the front. And this serves almost the whole house except for the smoke zone. And this does a large portion of the security as well. So that's it for the furnace room. There are 2 heat detectors in the attic, both rate of rise and fixed 194. And they are extremely hard to access. So I will just throw a picture in right now. We're going to start off with the pull station. Forgot to mention there is another AS in my room. All on high volume. And silence. We're all good. No audible silence, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and do an annunciator. We're now going to go ahead and test our next device. I won't be testing everything, but we'll test the hallway smoke now in the house. Just give it a minute. Silence the system. And then we can go for a sensor reset because a smoke was activated. This might go back into alarm, but we'll do a annunciator reset. I forgot, we have an RSS over here as well, but it's not RSS, who cares? We're gonna test the duct smoke detector just by using the test button. Here, shut down. And then let's head out to the annunciator. We have a supervisory. So we're gonna go ahead and acknowledge that. Let's go back. We can now reset the duct smoke. And the unit should kick it back on. There we go. Now you might be asking, why is this a supervisory, not a fire alarm? Well, duct smokes are very prone to false alarms due to the amount of dust that gets forced into the tubes, especially in an HVAC system. And I don't want the alarm going off if this has a false alarm. Also, this is a central station fire alarm system. This system is monitored. In my state, the central station fire alarm systems, duct smoke detectors on central station fire alarm systems are supposed to be supervisory and not alarm. So here we go. I'm gonna do one last fire alarm test, and we'll go see the outdoor strobe since it is dark now. So here we go. There we go. We have the RSS flashing. We're gonna come back in. Go ahead and reset. There we go. No. There we go. So we're now in my room with the D720 keypad. Motion's activated right now. We're gonna wait a second. Now we can arm. Do a command 1. Now I can exit. System's now armed. We're going to go in. We are now in entry delay. We are now in alarm. And there we go. I don't know why the motion's an alarm, but there we go. We're gonna do one last test of this area by activating the motion while armed. So let's command 1. And we'll wait till it's armed. We are now armed. So we will go ahead. Motion is now activated. There we go. Command 4. I will now show the security portion of the house. It's still being worked on. Not that many points on it, but it's something. So we're gonna go ahead and arm. This keypad does not have its speaker turned on. And then I'm just gonna cut. I'm not waiting 30 seconds. We are now armed, so we can go ahead and open the door. There's a recessed door contact. While we're at it, we'll just do a command 49 so you can see it on camera. And then there's a siren in the attic just above right here. You'll hear it. And we are disarmed. One last test. We're going to test the garage security system. A door contact right there. Wait. Now armed. We start an entry delay by opening the door. We are now in entry delay. There we go. And we'll just do a panic. Why not? And we'll reset. I apologize for not testing so many devices in this video, and I will make more videos on this in the future. And the next video is going to be on the shed fire alarm system. So thanks for watching.